Man, let's get down to this water. This is beautiful. The fact that I can see right through this water is beautiful. But is it a good thing? I just don't know if it's a good thing or not that I can actually see through the water. Good morning, everybody. It's your boy George. I am out on the water for a few minutes of fishing, of see-through clear water. It's been a while. It's been a while. What I'm fishing with today is a pink trout magnet. And I put a little extra weight on it so I can try to get across the creek here. I mean, this is the type of day that you should be able to sight fish. Like I can see a little activity right there. Yeah, a little activity for some panfish there. I mean, I can see this is pretty clear. You can't beat this clarity. You can't beat. But is it good or bad? Because the fish can see me for sure. That's cast out there. Wow, I got attacked right away, I think. They didn't bite it, but I think when something hit the water, those guys came looking. I see a lot of flashes. Oh, I got hit. That was a hit, guys. Oh yeah, look at it. It's still, is that a trout or is that a bass? Okay, it is active down here. Look at that. Is that a trout or a bass going across the creek there? Wow. Okay. Answer my question. Now I do got my glasses on, so I see more than what most people see without the glasses on, I think. But it is clear. You can see without glasses through this creek. Like I can see my lure landing on rocks, bouncing around on the bottom. But it could be a bad thing. Oh, I'm seeing plenty of fish now. It could be bad. So the fish are definitely out here, guys. It's just a matter if I can get something to bite. Ooh. Got him. Oh, had him. Oh, he jetted. Oh man, I brought him in, so that counts, guys. I ain't get my hands on him, but I brought him in, so that counts. That was, I think that was a red ear, either the red ear or red breast. I'm confident. Oh wait a minute, he's still there. I thought he jetted. He's down there trying to get himself together. So let's see if we can take a look at what we did catch. Don't fall, G. Don't hurt yourself, brother. Come here. He's going now. He playing with my emotions over there. That was decent. Let's see if I can do that again. Uh-oh. So the pink trout magnet strikes. I got a lot of confidence in that lure. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, is that a, oh, I thought that was a fish. I thought that was a good fish, but is that a fish? Getting caught up on rocks there. Lucky I'm getting out. Bait check, bait check. I caught up a couple times there. Okay, holding up, it's holding up. It's holding up. It's questionable whether I got too much bait, too much weight on this rig. It's questionable, but I want to get it out there. I tell you, it's a lot to eat here for the fish. Look all the bugs flying around the top of the water. Whoa, what's that? Do y'all see that, yo? Is that an otter? I don't find no otters around here. What is that? Is that that's a beaver? Oh man, I hope my camera picking that guy up. I think that's a beaver around here. I don't think we have otters. That's a beaver. Look at that big boy. That's definitely a beaver. At worst case scenario, it's a muskrat for real. Look at that. I think that's a beaver. The earlier you get out here to start your fishing, the more you might see. So we got a red brush sunfish, I'm calling that fish that we caught, and then we got a beaver. That was cool. Leave it to Beaver. Just carefully move around. I'm clumsy.